What's up everyone, and welcome back to another fun week of All Around Beauty 411. And in today's video, I'm going to be mashing up May and June Boxy Charm Box to go ahead and create this look right here. So if you want to know how I got this look and what products I use from what month, then continue watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with the Cover FX, and it is their blurring primer, and this was featured in the May Boxy Charm Box. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I went ahead and applied my foundation on top, and I definitely like the primer. It's very weightless, so I think that is a thumbs up for me. And it also kind of like, it feels lightweight, and then I'm using HudaBeauty's foundation, so that is also another lightweight thing, so it kind of feels like I have nothing on my face. It also looks like I have nothing on my face. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and contour and highlight the face using the Colourpop Sculpting Stick and the Maybeline Fit Me Concealer. I am a 30, and this is typo, but I don't think they sell sculpting sticks anymore on Colourpop. I don't know. I'm not really in touch with Colourpop as much as I used to be. But anyway, let's get to carving out my face. Now that I look a little crazy, let's go ahead and blend everything out.
This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now.
Alright guys, so now that I have blended everything out, I'm going to be taking the Dermablend and the Ben Beige Sage Setting Powder, and I'm going to go ahead and mix the two, and I'm going to use them to set my highlight. And then from May's Boxy Charm Box, I'm going to go in with the Pure Cosmetics, and this is their Sculptor palette. So it comes with a highlight shade, which is like the shimmer part, and it comes with a contour shade. So it has two of them, which I believe this is the light one, and then this is the darker one. And I assume that they go together, and it kind of smells like chocolate. So yeah, I'm going to be using this to set my contour, and I'm going to be using Founder, which is, that's the color's name, and I'm going to be using the Trio brush from Luxe, and I'm going to go ahead and use their Duo Fiber Powder, their 516 brush, and that is used to go ahead and set the under eye. So I'm going to use this brush setting the under eye. So let's go ahead and get started.
Look what I'm whipping up. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping up. This is America.
Alright guys, so I am baking my face. I kind of, not dusted a lot of the powder away, but using that brush, it kind of like melts the powder into your skin, which that's kind of great. Also, it picks up a lot of powder, so if you're not one to like, let me heavily set my face, then you might want to just ease your brush in there, because I just dunked it in there because I sweat a lot. Well, not sweat a lot, but like my skin is very oily, so I needed to suck up as much oil as possible. Alright, anyway, I'm going to go in with the Alamar. It is their Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette, volume 1, and this is really cute. It's like so Caribbean. They weren't joking. I was like, wow, okay. It's really cute, and a lot of the colors in here are very like Caribbean-ish. So this blue, oh girl, see how well that shows up on camera? It is called Varadero, and this color is called Celia. Oh baby, yes. And this color is La Costa. Bam! Look at how pigmented that is. Okay, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and use this palette. And this came from this month's box, which June box. So I'm going to go ahead and use Tropico as a nice way to bring in the color as my base color. And then I'm going to go ahead and use Guantanamera as a transitioning color. And then I'm going to use Cafecito as a color in the corner of my eye. And I think for like fun, I'm going to go ahead and use, I kind of want to use Valedero. And then I kind of want to blend it in the corner, like ombre it kind of, using either La Costa or El Macion. But I'll probably go with El Macion. That'll be my favorite. Look at me pronouncing all these. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started.
Don't got you slipping up. Look how I'm living up. Police be tripping up. Yeah, this is America. Comes in my area. I got the strap. I gotta carry him. I'ma go into this. This is gorilla. I'ma go get the bag. Or I'ma get the pad. I'm so cold like yeah.
Alright guys, so I decided not to add any of the La Cosa to the inner of my eyelids because I thought it looked cute like this. So I was like, okay, I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Studio Makeup, and it is their Luminous Loose Blush. So let's go ahead and get started to applying this.
Oh, like yeah. I'm so dull like yeah. We gon' blow like yeah. This is America.
Now that I have the nice subtle blush, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Pure Cosmetics Sculpting palette. And I'm going to be using the Luxe Tapered Highlighter Brush. It is number 522. And I'm going to use the color Trailblazer. I'm definitely excited. So let's go ahead and get started.
Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping up. This is America.
So now I'm going to be using the Estetica eye brush, and this came from the May Boxy Charm Box. And then I'm going to be using this right here, which is pretty vulgar, and it is eyeliner, and it's called The Ink. And I believe it's a black, and it's so vintage, guys. Like, this is so lit. Like, it's like a pad, I believe, like a cushion. So, like, see, it's not a liquid, so I think it's actually like a cushion. Let me see. Oh, actually, it is not a cushion. I believe it's like clay. So this is going to be fun. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to line my eyes. So let's get started.
Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. I'm so pretty.
So lining my eyes came pretty easy. I haven't lined my eyes in like such a long time, especially like with the wing. So now time to go on with the Battington lashes, and this is from this month's box, and these are them right here. Ooh, yes, they're a little thin, like the band. I'll pull them closer to the camera. So the band's a little thin. I typically don't like the band of my lashes to be thin. I like them to be thick. I don't know why. I feel like because my lashes are curly, so the thicker the band, the more it's able to like not push down on my natural lashes, but it's able to hold better on my eye. So I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully I like them. They look really cute. So I'm down to use them. They're super soft. They're soft. And it doesn't come with any instructions, to be honest. Like, it's literally the packaging and that's it. But the packaging is really cute. Gotta give it to them. Has a company name and stuff like that. Can you see it? No, it's not picking it up. Oh, there it is. Kind of, sort of. Alright, guys. So let's get these lashes on.
I'm so pretty.
Alright guys, so getting those lashes on were completely a challenge. But I got them on, as you can see. They're super cute. These aren't too bad. I feel like they look natural. So I don't mind them at all. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the lips to complete this look. So I'm going to go in with the eyeliner pencil from Jonteblu. So even though it is a eyeliner pencil, I typically don't line my eyes with dark brown, and that is the color that they gave me. So I just figured, hey, why not use this as a lip pencil? Call it a day. So I would typically probably either use this as a lip pencil or a pencil to fill in my brows. So this is what it looks like. Just quite brown. It's kind of almost black, if anything. So yeah, most definitely I would probably either use it on my brows or use it as a lip liner. And I'm going to go ahead and use the FashionFare lip gloss. And this is called Clear Intentions. Anyway, and I'm also going to use the matte liquid lipstick from this month's box from Ofra Cosmetics, and it is color Verona. So Ofra Cosmetics and Jonteblu are from this month's BoxyCharm box, and FashionFare lip gloss is a lip gloss that I've had over the time. Like, this is kind of like my go-to lip gloss. I know I don't really typically use it in a lot of videos, but this is my favorite. So go get you some FashionFare, and if you've never heard of FashionFare, okay, look them up. But if anything, they're mainly for colored women or women of color. Colored women seem like it was whatever. Anyway, it is mainly for them, but they do have products for women of all shades and all colors, and they have lip colors and lip glosses for everyone. Just that is who is their number one priority for their company. So let's go ahead and get started.
This is selling. That's a tool, yeah. On my Kodak. Ooh, know that.
Alright guys, so that's the finishing look for this week, and I definitely liked everything that was in both boxes, except I tend to like June box a little bit better, and I say this only because I like receiving eyeshadow palettes. I feel like I'm an eyeshadow palette like hoarder. I tend to buy more eyeshadow palettes than anything, so I definitely like, oh, wow, let's look at this one. Let's see how pigmented this one is. Ooh, is this one gonna be chalky? So I definitely like that. I also love the highlight. It's like not too like beaming, but then it's also not subtle either. So I definitely love it. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have for this week. And you know me, I post videos every Friday. Alright guys, now that the semester is over, we can get it popping. But first, I'm out.